In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send Outlook invite without showing recipients if you're coordinating a large meeting or simply want to protect attendee privacy. Outlook makes it easy to send a calendar invitation without exposing the full guest list. Start by going to Outlook in your web browser and signing into your account. From the main mail view, look toward the left-hand side and switch to Calendar. This opens your schedule and the toolbar you'll use to create a new meeting. At the top of the calendar, select New or New Event. This opens the event composer. Give your meeting a clear title so attendees instantly know what it's about. Set the date and start and end times and adjust the time zone if you're scheduling across regions. If it's an all-day event, you can mark it accordingly so it blocks the right amount of time on everyone's calendars. Add a location, or if you plan to meet online, include the meeting link in the description field. You can also add an agenda or any files people should review ahead of time. Setting a reminder here helps ensure people see the invite before it begins, and choosing the right busy or free status can help avoid conflicts. Now, before you add anyone to the invite, open response options. In that menu, choose Hide Attendee List. This is the key setting. When it's turned on, each recipient can still respond yes, no, or maybe, but they will not see who else was invited or who has responded. It's perfect for large announcements, external webinars, or any situation where privacy matters. With privacy enabled, add your recipients in the attendee field. You can paste addresses or start typing to search your contacts directory. If some people are optional, mark them as such so they can prioritize their schedules. Double check the date, time, and any conferencing details, then press send. Everyone will receive the same invite, and only you, as the organizer, can view the full attendee list. A few quick tips as you finish up: keep the subject and description concise, since recipients won't know the broader audience. If you later edit the event, the hide attendee list setting stays in place so you don't need to reapply it. And avoid adding people in the email body. Always use the attendee field so privacy is enforced. That's all there is to it. You've created a professional Outlook calendar invitation that keeps recipients private while preserving RSVP tracking. Send with confidence and enjoy a cleaner, more discreet scheduling experience.